So I'm using my scarifier. I'm scarifying this lawn, getting this blue stem up and chopping it up, and then mainly just getting it right there in the dirt. And then I'm gonna come back with some sod, but I'm gonna mow over it, bag everything up, and reseed this lawn, just the front, right in here. One of the reasons you scarify is to get all the debris out of the grass, like old grass and other stuff. You know, the thatch, you break up the thatch layer and expose the dirt, and it allows the soil to breathe and get moisture down into the soil. The thatch will actually absorb moisture and keep it from getting down to the roots in certain circumstances. And the thatch layer is also what increases like insects. You know, the insects lay their eggs inside that. And, you know, scarifying helps you also get better soil to seed contact. So I just scarified and then bagged it up with my lawnmower. And here's just the thatch from this area over here. Half the trash can full. All right. And I kind of chopped up these weeds. You got to either, I'm just going to get some grass growing here, and then I'll deal with the weeds. These weeds are hard to kill. And if I try to kill them, it's that KR blue stem. If I try to kill them and then wait to seed, I mean, it's just going to be it's not going to happen. So you just need to get a thick lawn, and then we'll worry about them. My opinion. I spilled some there, so, but as you can see, I got a bunch of seed all over the ground here. I'm gonna come back and spread some dirt on top of it to kind of keep that moisture in. So, and then probably spread some more. I got another bag. I don't know. All right, so I seeded this yard. I was gonna try to, you know, that's when they don't have a sprinkler system, you have to use that to wet the lawn. It's bullshit. So I was gonna try to turn it on and then like blow everything off while I was here, and then, but it didn't happen. So I'll just come by in the morning and blow and sweep everything off in the morning. I live like a couple of blocks away. Yeah, so, and that's sprinklers. We are 5 days out from reseeding this lawn, and as you can see, the seed has germinated and started producing tiny Bermuda shoots, and we will have a nice Bermuda lawn. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.